guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making ourselves some simple hair growth recipe which is also able to cure or deal with scalp inflammation. My name is Lydia. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. So we are making this onion juice recipe for my sister who is having scalp inflammation, meaning that her scalp keeps hurting her, but there's no sore, but she keeps feeling pain. And this is my best recommendation if you're having issues with your scalp. So guys, I use onion, garlic, ginger, and then cayenne pepper. With what you saw me pour in the video was ginger juice. I always blend ginger juice down, then I use it for some time. Mostly I add it to some juice and then drink. Now in this video I just wanted to use it in my hair growth recipe. In this oil, in this onion juice. So after making your onion juice, it's now time for application. Yes, it's very important. The application process is also very, very important. So now let's apply it to my sister's hair, whose hair is very, very thick and dense. I encourage her to style her hair, and that is what caused her scalp to be inflamed. I know when you keep your hairstyle in a particular way for a long time, it causes some inflammation because it's like pressing your skin for a very long time. It's going to cause a form of inflammation, and if you don't treat it ASAP, it may get worse. So this onion juice recipe is something you can use to treat your scalp. In addition to treating your scalp from inflammation, it also promotes hair growth. Like if you are looking for something, even if you don't know what to do to your hair, try using onion juice. It's really able to promote hair growth. Yes, it revives dormant follicles. Now let's look at some importance of using onion juice. The ingredient alone in this juice is what is able to go into work for you. Onion, garlic, cayenne pepper, and ginger. These are very, very potent ingredients. They are natural plants that nature has given us, and if you are able to use them consistently, you'll be impressed at what they do for you. Onion is full of sulfur. Like onion has high concentration of sulfur, and sulfur is something you can use to promote your hair. Like you can use sulfur to promote your hair. So if onion has a natural percentage or natural concentration of sulfur, why not use it to promote your hair instead of going to buy maybe something artificial or something like that? Onion, garlic, they are all from the same species, so they all perform similar uses. Their benefits are quite similar because they all belong to the same category of plants. Yes, I like to add cayenne pepper because cayenne pepper has this minty feeling, like you feel that minty sensation on your scalp when you use cayenne pepper. You are able to tell that wow, like you are feeling the healing on your scalp. When I was doing this video, I kept asking my sister, how is your scalp? She said, is she feeling the pain? Trust me, this is even an immediate result. You feel the relief while doing it. Like you don't have to finish before you end, you start feeling relief. You feel the relief while you're at it. So I always urge you to do this treatment. Now coming to ginger is able to revive dormant hair follicles. So using ginger on your hair and your scalp, you are not just healing your scalp, you are also going to revive dormant hair follicles from your hair. I like to use all these combos, like these 4 combos, so that they are able to do the work well. Like it's like a combo that have different importance that result in a good result. That it comes out positively. Yes, so guys, you'll be asking me how often you should do this. If you are deciding to tackle a particular bald spot, doing this every day for 2 weeks is going to be very helpful. Like it will be very, very helpful. But if you just want to grow your hair or general hair health, you can do this once in every month or once in a week. Yes, if you want to tackle a particular bald spot, for example, some part of your scalp is inflamed and it has caused some baldness, you can do this every day. Massage that part very well for about 2 weeks consistent, like every day for 2 weeks, and then give yourself another 2 weeks break. You're going to be impressed about the results. Someone also asked me that, can I do this in bulk and save it and use it later? Yes, that's absolutely what I always do. I do my onion juice in bulk. Like when I say bulk, I mean bulk. I do like, let's say 500 ml bottle, keep it in the freezer. When I'm ready to use it, I take it down, I thaw it for about 15 minutes. I put it in like hot water. I just put water in a cup, hot water in a cup, and then place a bottle in it for it to thaw for a while, and then I pour what I'll be needing into my applicator bottle, and then I use it on my scalp. So I don't have to be blending onion juice every time I want to use it. Like, I don't have to be blending it all the time I want to use it. You can also adopt this, especially if you're a busy person. So one day you are free, you can just decide to do this and keep it in your freezer. Please, I'm emphasizing on freezer and not fridge, because the difference is very, very important. When you keep them in the fridge, they're able to lose their potency after a while. But in freezer, it keeps it fresh and it keeps it very, very potent. Yes. So I'm talking about how durable, how lasting it can be. Yes. Another way you can also make your onion juice, if you have time, you can just make fresh batches every time you are about to use it. That's also a good way. But then if you want to save time, if you want to save resources, if you want to save electricity and other stuff, please do this in bulk and then save it in your freezer. Please always do a patch test first before putting this on your scalp. Yes, onion juice is very good, but it's not acceptable for everyone. Not everyone will react positively to onion juice. Some people may not react positively to onion juice, others will. So it's very important to do a patch test first. Test it on your hands or your wrist or any sensitive part. You can just use your wrist and then wait for about 5 minutes. If you see any redness, it will mean that you are sensitive to it or you are allergic to it. So please desist. Don't use it. So we'll look for another method. But then if all goes well, this is something you can use to grow your hair, to tackle scalp issues, to even deal with dandruff. Like, if you are very consistent with using this, you'll be able to deal with stubborn dandruff. And I mean what I am saying. You'll be able to deal with stubborn dandruff, because I'm speaking from experience. Yes. So guys, let me know what you think about it. So the last tip I am adding is, please do this before you shampoo. Do this before you shampoo. Onion juice has a pungent smell. So if you want to smell like onion, then you have to do it after shampoo. But then, do it before you shampoo. The first thing you do before you shampoo, because it has a strong smell. You have to follow up with a shampoo. So this is just like a pre-poo treatment. You have to follow up with a shampoo so that the fragrance of the shampoo is able to mask any, odor or any pungent smell or any unpleasant smell from the onion juice, so you don't walk around smelling like onion. Yes, aside that, you are good to go. So let me know what you think about this. Are you having any scalp issues that you think that you need solution? Onion juice is my best recommendation. After you apply this throughout your hair, focusing on your scalp and focusing on problem areas, do well to massage your scalp, wear your steamer cap, and then steam your hair for about 15 minutes. It's the heat penetration that's going to, revive dormant hair follicles. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Don't forget to like this video as well. And don't forget to comment if you have anything at all. Trust me, I'm going to reply to every comment. Till next time, bye.